हमने अपने इंडिया में जो हमारी डोमेस्टिक लेजिस्लेशंस थी उसमें जो हो सकता था सर्टेनिटी के लिए, लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स रिमूव करने के लिए, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोविजंस व्हिच हैव बीन ब्रॉट इन द स्टैट्यूट इन द लास्ट 5 years or so, which have improved certainty, and that has really helped people, and that has improved investment. People are coming in infrastructure, in all other fields. As far as the issue of multilateral certainty is required, we are working on that on a continuous process, and once a decision is taken that when it has to come, it will certainly come forth. If you see the February budget, that was a landmark budget. In fact, you need to congratulate the finance minister and the prime minister on that. That is such a huge relief to the common taxpayer has never been given in any budget. So once we have taken it to 12 lakhs, it is a huge amount of money, and that is going to fuel the economy. And once the pay commission comes, then that is 2 years from now when the actual benefit begins to flow. At that point of time, the revenues need to be assessed at that point of time, and what is actually required will be seen at that point of time. Because हम future के लिए इतना future के लिए आज plan नहीं कर सकते. That is how it goes. India has been growing hugely in personal income tax in the last 4-5 years. The reason for that is that through third-party information collection, we've identified so many areas where third-party information is being collected, and that third-party information is being shared with the taxpayer throughout. आप अपना 26 years खोल के देखेंगे, अपनी लॉग इन करके देखेंगे, जहाँ भी आपका इंटरेस्ट है, जो भी आपका ट्रांजैक्शन है, वो आपको खुद ही दिख जाता है. इट इज़ अ नॉन इंट्रूसिव वॉलंटरी कंप्लायंस मैकेनिज्म जो सरकार ने आपको दिया है. इसी वजह से ह्यूज इंक्रीज इन पर्सनल इनकम टैक्सेस देयर, एंड द इकोनॉमी इज ऑल्सो बूमिंग एंड बर्स्टिंग. थ्रू द फॉर्मलाइजेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमी, everybody is beginning to pay tax. That has increased the base, it has deepened it also.